Why you can't get Spotify Wrapped 2023. Explained. Hello, everyone. Are you unable to locate your Spotify Wrapped section? There are several reasons for this. Spotify Wrapped is an annual feature that provides users with a personalized summary of their music listening habits throughout the year. If you are not seeing Spotify Wrapped for 2023, there could be a few reasons for this. First, Spotify Wrapped is typically released towards the end of the year, usually in early December. If it's not yet December or if the feature has just been released, give it some time. The second thing, you might not have the latest version of the application. Check if you have updated Spotify. As you can see on the screen, I have the Wrapped section, but I don't have my Wrapped playlist. I can review Wrapped 2023 globally, popular podcasts, and similar. The third thing, it might not be available in all regions, and the eligibility criteria could vary. The fourth thing, to generate Spotify Wrapped, you need to have been an active Spotify user throughout the year. If you just recently started using Spotify or had periods of inactivity, your Wrapped summary might not be as comprehensive. This last item is the most common. I will log in via a web browser to the Spotify site with the same account as on the application. As you can see, my problem is that I haven't used this application enough throughout the year. I hope I've helped you understand this issue. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.